Hey kids! Today, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 6.06, also called Dapper Drake, in VirtualBox. So let's begin. First, download a VirtualBox. Link in description. First, click on the blue button that says New, or press Ctrl N, or if you're on Mac, Command N. First, give your VM a name. I'll make mine Ubuntu 6.06. It should detect the type as Linux and the OS as Ubuntu 64-bit. However, you want to set it as the type of the Ubuntu ISO you got. I got a 32-bit ISO, so I'll select Ubuntu 32-bit. Click Next. Select the amount of RAM you want to use. I will leave it at 2 gigabytes. Next, select the amount of disk space you want. I'll leave it at 25 gigabytes. Click Finish. Next, click on the orange button that says Settings, or press Ctrl S, or if you're on a Mac, Command S. Go to the System tab. Under Pointing Device, select PS2 mouse. Using the USB tablet will offset your clicks, or at least in my experience. Go to the Storage tab. Click on the blue CD icon, then click on the blue CD icon with an arrow, and click Choose a disk file. Navigate over to your Ubuntu 6.06 ISO. Link for the one I use is in the description. Once you find the file, double-click on it and click OK. Then, click on the green arrow that says Start. Once you boot it up, you'll be greeted by this screen. Select Start or Install Ubuntu and press Enter. Wait for it to boot. Then, you'll be loaded into the live CD environment, a temporary environment that lets you use Ubuntu without actually installing it. Have some fun in this environment for a bit. Once you're ready to actually install Ubuntu, double-click on the Install icon on the desktop. Select your language. I will select English. Click Forward. Select the city closest to you. I will select Halifax. Select your keyboard layout. I will select American English. You can also test out your keyboard layout by typing something. Type in your name and your username. Please note that your username has to be all lowercase. I will make my name TOWF and my username the same thing but in lowercase. Enter a password. I will make mine Ubuntu. Type it twice to confirm. Type in your computer name. I will make mine Ubuntu 6.06. Choose how you want to install Ubuntu. I will erase the entire disk. Make sure everything is correct, then click Install. Then, it will install the system. If it brings up an error saying, cannot access security updates, click OK. Don't worry, this is normal. Once it's done installing, you can continue using the live CD or restart into your new Ubuntu install. I will restart into my install by clicking Restart Now. It should automatically eject the CD for you. If it doesn't, release your cursor by pressing your host key, mine's Ctrl-Alt, then go to Devices, Optical Drives, and clicking Remove Disk from Virtual Drive. Then click back inside the VirtualBox window and press Enter. Then wait for it to boot up. Enter your username and password that you set earlier and press Enter. Then it should bring you to the desktop. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy with your new Ubuntu 6.06 VM. Bye!